Super gives you the ability to embed custom code on your site, and you can do that in a couple of ways. One is globally, so that code is applied to every page on the site, and secondly, at the page level, where an individual page can have its own custom code. So let's start by having a look at the global code. Here in Super, we can see the side menu, and there's a code section in the sidebar menu. If we click in that, we see three tabs: head, body, and CSS. And head is where you would add your scripts for Google Analytics or any loading of fonts, for example, that need to be loaded in the head section. Body is where you would be loading scripts that are manipulating content on the page. And CSS is where you will add any custom CSS code to affect the styling of content on your site. In the pages section, if you go to a particular page, I happen to be on the Contact Us page at the moment, there is an option at the three dots to edit the custom code. And here we have page code, and again, head, body, and CSS sections. And any code that is in the page level code will only be applied to this page. Code that is applied in the global code section over here in the sidebar is applied to every page. We recommend that most scripts are put into the body section, and certainly all CSS and custom styling is applied in the CSS section.